thank God for this opportunity. And 2018, I met Atomy in Korea because I worked in Korea for, I think, 27 years. 5 years I worked in the factory, and 22 years I worked in the France Embassy as the staff of the residence of the ambassador. And 2018, that's my first, I've heard na rinig ko ang Atomy because one of my Korean pastor, sinir niya po yung Atomy, but I am only a consumer before. I use body lotion, shampoo, and yung pinakamabangong toothpaste, which is the Atomy toothpaste. Sabi ko na mabango, dahil ang hininga natin, di ba, kapag tayo gumagamit, mabango. Hindi bad breath, right? So, praise God. And I have also some himuhim. In 2019, I was operated. Na-opera po ako ng tumor. Ang laki po nung inalis. And after 7 days, after 2 weeks, sinabihan ako ng doktor na active yung cancer cells mo. So you need to undergo chemotherapy. But I refuse to do it kasi talagang makakalbo ka daw. Like yung nag-share kanina, nakalbo, nakita natin yung picture niya, nakalbo. So I refuse it, and umuwi ako sa aming bahay after siguro mga, nung sinabihan ako ng doktor, umuwi po ako. At doon, nung umuwi po ako, wala pong binigay ng doktor na aking maintenance. Binigyan lang po niya ako ng pain reliever. That's it. But praise God, meron po akong binili noon. It's a promo before. Bumili po ako ng isang cellphone sa Korea. Binigyan po ako ng 4 na boxes na promo. So it's spray yun. So that's the time na yun na lang ang ininom ko. And yet, sinabi ng doktor sa akin, after 6 months, babalik ka uli dito for your general checkup. When I came back to the hospital, dahil inubos ko yung 3 boxes na himuhim, and it is a good news because the doctor told me that you are cancer-free. Praise God! Dahil I refused to do the chemotherapy. And praise God, dahil talagang our himuhim food supplement, it's very powerful.